All right, guys, this is gonna be a time lapse, even though I'm talking, but we're gonna get into it because there's so much noise, so much going on. Y'all see the moat is coming along. It's starting to look good. The steps are there. But what I want to show you guys, while I pause for a minute, I want to get the right angle. Y'all bear with me. Boom. Here it is. Let's go inside. I'm going to time lapse this thing for y'all. So anybody that wants to see the roof go up, especially Link, we've been talking about the roof. We're going into my bedroom. Go for it. Do your thing. Don't wait on me. We got Jeffrey in here. I'm gonna have to find a place to put this camera, and we're gonna time lapse this thing of how this thing goes up. So I'm gonna have to find me a stool because I want y'all to see Jeffrey from start to almost finish putting this baby together. So with no further ado, guys, so we're not finished with this ceiling build. I want to get y'all the numbers. Let's go inside. It's getting dark out here because of the rain. Let's get you guys the numbers of the material. So break down, give us some of the material that you had to buy and how much did it cost?
The PVC panel and what they call that one, the rod something?
The rods, right?
I think I pay it like at least more or less 8,000 pesos.
So for everything, 8,000 pesos.
Yeah.
And if you convert that, about how many dollars is that? Let's do this. 10,000 pesos is $181. So if you, it's 100. That's 181. So if you spent 8,000 pesos, what are we talking? 150 for everything? More or less? All right.
So guys, just don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe.
All right, guys, as I say, there's more. So they started the skin coat, as you see. I want to show you this as we go finish up this video because it's getting late, guys. This is Nomad's office. And this is what the ceiling looks like right now with the doggone installator and where the fan is gonna go, right? So we're gonna come in here. We're gonna come in here. We got people standing all around. And in here, Jeffrey is about to finish up. Look at this craftsmanship, guys. Look at this.
It's very nice ceiling, huh?
Yes, very nice. But it's the more he does, the darker it gets.
Yeah.
Okay? And we don't have lighting in here for you guys. So this is your before was the office. This is the after. This took Jeffrey, I'm gonna say, to do all of this, to put everything together, get it around, just took about 4 hours of installation. So this is what we got, guys. Let me take y'all outside where there is light. Bear with me. All right? While these guys are in there, because they're excited, because they're like, they haven't done a ceiling like this in a long time. And what I'm going to do is, it's still raining out here a little bit. What I'm gonna do is, this is the room that's getting done. And what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna put the camera in because I'm trying to capture the most light from outside. So when we go inside, boom, there you go. This is total ceiling for you guys as they attempt to finish this up. So once Jeffrey gets done, what I'm gonna do for you guys is, I'm gonna come back in here one more time. Now see, This is where my tank is gonna go. We got water. As I told you, it's been raining. So coming in this side, when you look in the window, it looks like it's already done, guys. Let's go in here. Let's get that. This is it.
Kamayo magputol sa magsumpay. Sumpay kay mo to split.
So when they get done, I'm gonna try to come in here one more time so y'all can see the finished product, and then we're gonna be out of here. But this is what it did. This is what it came out to. This is what it cost me: 8,000 pesos for this whole floating ceiling. Now, mind you, the 8,000 pesos, that's for that ceiling here. And then when you come around on this side, that's that bedroom over here. That 8,000 is also going to get you this ceiling right here, guys. So for 2 ceiling spaces, 7 by 12, and this one over here is 12 by 12. For 8,000 pesos, this is what you could spend if you wanted to do your ceilings. And then we go back to Link. Going to Link, this is how you keep all those critters from coming out. Because here, where there is no ceiling yet, you see the holes where all the critters can get inside. So this is why we're gonna do the floating ceiling everywhere. Also, stay tuned. We're doing the bathroom. Y'all see the colors of the tile. We got the tile going on. I'll give you the prices on that on another video. So once they finished in there, I'm gonna show you that one more time. Oh my God. All right, hold on, Jeffrey, hold on. All right, so Jeffrey, how many ceilings have you done so far?
This kind of materials?
This right here, how many times?
First time.
This your first time?
Yeah.
And you said, how did you learn how to do this?
I watch YouTube to learn.
Wow, you watch YouTube to learn, and this is how you figured out how to do everything.
Yeah.
Oh my God, so this is Jeffrey's first time ever off of YouTube. Y'all see that? YouTube is a beautiful thing, guys. Oh my, those are closed. This is the finished product. When I get some light, y'all will see this again. Even got an echo. But this is what it looks like now. I know I didn't do it justice because it's dark. It started raining. But I hope y'all get the gist of what we're trying to achieve as I back out. So when you come in the room, look at that. That's what it looks like coming inside. Wow. Versus here, that's what it looks like. You see that? So we call this before, and this room is after. All right. So Jeffrey did a good job. Appreciate it. He got all of this to do, guys. He got all of that. So y'all gonna see all that come alive. I don't know if y'all can hear, but it's raining out here. And the koi pond, see, much lighter out here. The koi pond is still going down. Y'all see that? It's going down. The bump out, it's going down. So we got so much going on. So as always, guys, Brooklyn Nomad Travels. Travel with us. And to the next one, we're out of here, guys.